Hello guys, my name is Nasirian Kate. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as I promised, is a henna deep conditioning routine. So you guys, I hope you have watched the previous video where I told you the benefits of incorporating henna in your daily deep conditioning routine. So today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my deep conditioning. Okay, and the benefits of using henna is as highlighted in the previous video, so I hope you guys go and watch it. I'm going to put the link below and enjoy it. So I'm going to wash this hair immediately after this video because it's kind of dirty. It has not been washed in 2 weeks and it's in need of moisture, protein reconstruction and whatever. And I hope you guys like the video, like my content, and you can also click the notification button and follow if you haven't followed. Subscribe in short, and see you on the other side of washing. Bye bye. I'm starting with a freshly made deep conditioner that contains henna, lemon, coconut milk, glycerin, aloe vera juice, castor, canola, also known as rapeseed oil, olive oil, coconut oil, mega growth deep conditioner, and coco's hair garlic keratin treatment. And this mixture right here contains all these ingredients. This one right here is a packet of henna, and for today I'm using this henna package that is only henna. And you can find this henna in whichever store you can see, as they are easily accessible to everyone. I'm starting off with a freshly washed hair, shampooed hair, and this is after putting the hot oil treatment. Like you can check on my other videos how I usually hot oil treat my hair. Is that even correct? Hot oil treat. Treat my hair with oil. No, hot oil treatment. Yes, how I do my hot oil treatment. I'm starting off by putting the first section of my hair, the deep conditioner. And what I promise people is that or I tell people what happens is that henna is very messy. This deep conditioning routine is very messy. You can see in this other video on the sideline, I shot it in last year, July 31st 2018. And I'm putting this video here so you guys can see the difference in growth of this hair. And it's not even 1 year. 1 year has not even finished, and I can already see the massive growth in this hair. In this other video, I had not done a hot oil treatment. That's why my hair is a bit clumped up together. I had not realized a lot of products that can be incorporated with henna for maximum benefit. But in this other video, the current one, I've realized how I can balance both moisture and protein and add additional products that can improve the state of my hair. The deep conditioner is so messy, you'll see it all over the place, and it actually produces that dye, so it colors your hands. But after a few wash, like in the following 2 days, your hand will be clear, so no worries about it. I prefer using my hand applying it because I think it's effective compared to those days I used to use the gloves. I prefer using my hands because I can feel the places that the henna goes and where it requires more henna and less henna. I hope you understand. In this left video, is it left? Yes, left video. You can see I'm breaking through the henna inside the strands, between the strands, and I remember those days I used to complain how messy it was. Now I just appreciate, and sometimes I don't even care, I don't even care. I'm so used to my palms being red and all that. And then I'm starting the next section, doing the same. breaking through the hair to detangle while I put the deep conditioner, and then I wrap it up into a bantu knot. You can notice in the other video I couldn't even wrap it up to a bantu knot because my hair was a bit shorter. It could not go that much round. And in this video it goes round and round and round. I don't know what happened, as in I can't explain how this henna works, but it does miracle. It actually does miracle. Henna plus a balance of moisture with the oils, it's just good, very good. And some of the benefits of henna is that it has antibacterial properties that improve scalp health, and it reduces hair fall, conditions your hair, repairs damage, and strengthens your hair, balances pH and oil production, promotes hair growth and curbs hair loss, makes the hair thick, shiny, soft, and manageable. I hope you guys understand really what I'm saying based on this list on my screen. After raking through that side, I make sure the conditioner is really inside the hair, from the roots to the end, and mostly the ends because they are the oldest. And if they break off, it means you'll never gain that length. So you have to really take care of those ends. And then I put them up on a bantu knot, and then next I just smear the remaining deep conditioner in areas that I feel like they didn't get sufficient product. And then after that I put on my shower cap and stay on with it for about 2 hours or so, depending on the time I have, but minimum 2 hours. And then this footage is from July 31st, 2018, last year, from the small clip you've seen on the left side of the screen. And this was after I deep conditioned and rinsed it off with cold water. And I want you guys to see how much growth I have since July 31st. And you can see the difference. This hair had not been put hot oil treatment. You can see the difference, as in it's a bit clumped up together, and there's no much definition of the curls. Yeah, although it's good, yeah, but there's no much definition of the curls. And you can see some frizz, a bit of frizz. Yeah, and it's a bit shorter. That is clear. It's a bit shorter. And then after several use of henna, this is what happened after months of use of henna. This January 4th, 2019, and I wanted to show you guys how much growth I've seen with constant use of henna. You can see the shine and the color, and the curl pattern is quite defined. Look at that stretch of hair. Compare it with the other video. You see this growth, so it's guaranteed, guys. And then there's softness, and the curls are really separate and tangled. You can run through your fingers comfortably, okay? And the hair is very much moisturized, very much moisturized. It has the softness, moisture, and the strength at the same time. You know, it's unheard of, okay? It's unheard of. But this hair right here, it has everything on it. Yeah, this next footage is from January 29th, 2019, last month. That is 2 weeks after the previous video. And this is actually the footage that I've used to show you guys how you can apply the deep conditioner from the start. Yeah, and it's similar to the previous one, but I just wanted to show you guys like how the hot oil treatment plus the deep conditioning with henna has helped me manage my hair easily. Nowadays my wash this series, they are just so easy, unlike previous days where I used to really struggle to wash my hair and take like more than 5 hours in the shower. Nowadays it's very easy. The detangling process has been made easier and all that. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you have not subscribed, and like the video, share it with as much people as you can, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.